everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dirt Grain Steel. Tonight we're going to be building a chute, or starting a chute, that will take stone from a hopper under my trommel down to the hopper of my conveyor. So ideally what we're going to do here is we're going to make a 6-inch square chute out of some 1/4 inch by 6-inch wide by 45-inch long flat plate. Now this is just drops that was sheared off of another sheet. I got this at my local steel distributor. It was out in a drops pile, so I only gave like 35 cents a pound for it. So I've got 4 pieces that I just cut out with a plasma cutter. We're going to take all 4 of these pieces and we're going to construct our chute out of them. So I'm going to get this all squared up and get it tacked up, and then we'll do some welding. I'm actually going to stick weld tonight with the FORNEY EASY WELD 140 MP, which I have over here. I've got it set up for stick right now. So it's all set up for stick. So that's what we're going to be using. We're going to be using I'm going to start out with some 6011 to tack it up with, and then I'll probably change to some 6013 and weld it up with the 6013. The 6011, the reason I'm going to start with it is it's a small rod, and I'm just going to use it to tack with, so it'll burn easy. So anyways, I'm going to get started. I'm going to get this tacked up. Well, there we have it. All tacked up. Now I'm going to weld it up, solid seam the sides, and we're done. And it's ready to be used. I made it 45 inches. I'll probably end up trimming it off to the desired length that I need. But for tonight, I just decided I don't have everything set up yet. So I was just going to get this made, and when I'm ready to put everything together, then I'll trim it to the right length that I actually need. But for now, this will work out perfect. So, and I'm hoping to actually end up just cutting it in half. And if I just cut it in half, then that means I'll use the other half for when the other conveyor is built. I'm sure 6 inches square is plenty for pea gravel to go through and not bridge up. So it should work out perfectly fine. I'm going to start welding it up now. So I've got part of this side welded up. I switched to some 7018. Thought might as well burn it up and get rid of it. So I'm going to continue welding on this side. Figured I'd get a short video of welding if I can pull it off without screwing up. That was my last. Well, there she is, all welded up, ready to be a stone chute. 1/4 inch plate, 6 inches square, welded with 7018. I believe that was 7018 3/32 is what I ended up welding it with. So this chute will feed this little hopper right here. Out of a bigger hopper above it. The stone will fall into the hopper out of the trommel, and it will fall down through the new square tube chute that I just made into this hopper and fall on the conveyor belt and run off the end. So should work good. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to trim it to the size that I need. I actually ended up welding it outside because it was a beautiful day, beautiful evening. And and less smoke outside, because with only 8-foot ceilings in my shop, it fills up with smoke pretty quick. So if you like this episode of Dirt Grain Steel, if you like the Forney welder, want to see more videos on it, let me know. Give me a like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And you probably notice these ends aren't quite perfect, but I'm going to cut it off anyways, so they didn't really have to be perfect. So I'm going to